Okay, people, excuse me, I'm coming in with a video for the new year. It's going to be my first one, actually, that I've made. By the way, today is the 2nd of January. Hope you guys had happy holidays, a happy new year, Merry Christmas, you know, happy Thanksgiving, all that. You know what I'm talking about. Yes, 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 yes. Okay, I'm going to do a new series. It's going to be called a new short series. Ain't no telling how long it's going to last, but it's going to be all eyes on me. And that's regarding eyeshadows, okay? Or, yeah, eyeshadow looks. So, we're going to tone it down for the holidays, okay? And I'm going to use the All Eyes on Me palette. Hopefully, I can come up with an entire look off of this palette. I should be able to. And, I'm going to start in with a transition color, and I'm going to use the color Doll right here as a transition color on my eyes. Oh, by the way, I primed it with that LA Pro. Oh, that was a little. Draw you in a little bit closer, not too close. There we go. And, oof, that was powdery. Get my trusty mirror here. Ooh, see all that powder? Okay. I'm even going to put it on the lower lash, too. Just in case. Okay. So what I'm going to do is kind of like a cut crease, but like a half a cut crease. Make it look like I know what I'm doing. So I'm going to show you how I do it. And I am hopefully going to talk through as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a line of demarcation. And I'm going to use the color Risky in this palette. Because it is, okay, you know how the computer just pops on, wakes up or whatever for whatever reason? Okay, but anyway. So we're going to pop this on, and this is what I'm doing for right now. So if I get a phone call, I have to speed it up. Okay, but I'm going to put it all in this corner. Ooh wee. My eyes watering. Let me see, it's coming off patchy. Why does this thing feel so prickly? Okay. But anyway, just in case I have to speed it up, let me tell you what I'm doing. I am darkening this corner up, okay, and darkening this up, because what I'm going to do is I am going to put, cut it right here on the front, and I'm going to add a lighter color, and I'm going to blend it together, okay? But I just think that doing it this way and then just using the concealer to cut it off, you know, will be much easier to achieve the look. Deepen that up a little. So. Hold on a minute. Okay. Okay. So now we're going to go in with a another color, and I am going to use for this look, I'm going to go in with this color. It's called Devoted, okay, and it looks like that right there. And we're going to see how that pays off. Oh yeah. And then see how I worked it in? Okay. I'm glad I got this palette. It's a good investment. The color payoff is excellent. Okay, now I want to go on top of this with another color to bring out that Devoted. And I'm going to be extra. I'm going to go in with this Strobe and Glow palette. And I'm going to go in with the color Cotton Candy. I love this color. Okay. And I'm going to put it on my eyelids. Okay. And that is actually this Cotton Candy right there. Oh, excuse me. Right there. Okay. Let's see how this works. I want to go in with a flat brush. Been acquiring some skills, okay. Trying to get this brush out the pack, okay. That's how many brushes I have, okay. Just open up a brush. Okay, let's see. Oh, yeah. I'm going to spray some Fix Plus because when it gets wet in here, okay, you know how when the eyeshadow, when you wet it, it does something different? And when it gets wet in my eye, it does the same thing, and then the color's not even. So, let me try to... Matter of fact, I had a bottle with some water in it. There we go. Now, let's put some eyeliner on and some mascara, and let's see how it comes, the overall look. So I'll be right back. I have to concentrate. Okay, people, I'm back with the finished look. Hopefully my lighting is on point. Okay, and I am going to do a 360 so you can see my hair and everything, because I'm, like I said, I'm off to work. Oh, I forgot some earrings. Oh, matter of fact, I forgot some lipstick too. Okay, but I did my hair. I just warm combed it, okay, so to give it a nice light flowy feel to it, and it doesn't look so thin like it is. Okay, and let me tell you about my what I did for the face, okay, since I didn't film it. And I'm gonna bring you in a little closer. Okay, what I did was I went in on my foundation. I actually went in with this Ulta, and this is a Demi Matte formula, and it is in the color Mocha. Okay, I think this is the deepest color they had, and it's mocha, which to me is not a mocha. But I'm using it because I paid for it, and when I'm working 4-hour days, these little foundations that don't last that long really do come in handy. Okay, then I went around and I actually contoured with this Anastasia Beverly Hills Stick Foundation in the color Amber. I highlighted, the parts that are highlighted were actually the Ulta Foundation, and then I went in and did a little contouring. Now I finished this off with finishing powder from L'Oreal True Match, okay, and that's this right here, and this is in the color Neutral in 6.5. Then, okay, oh, let me tell, I went in with this blush. Where's that blush? That I got from Coastal Scents. It was that sample. And I actually went in with this part of the blush. That right there. Okay. And so I did my highlight with my Profusion Strobe and Glow palette. Okay, and let me see, what else did I do a little different. I excuse me, I went in on the eyes, okay, and on the bottom lash, okay, I think that's pretty cute. What I did was I went in on the bottom and I smoked it out with a or smudged it out with that Risky, okay, and that's this color right here, Risky. And just to add a little twist, because you know how I am, and I was just sitting up here staring at me, I went in with this cream eyeliner from e.l.f. and this is a purple. Okay, and I'm going to draw you in and see if you can see that. There we go. On the eyes. And you know what I need is, I need some lipstick, okay? So let's finish this off right now. I'm going to finish this off with some lipstick and a pop of color in the inner corners. And I'm going to pop that color with my Strobe and Glow. And we are going to take excuse me. We're going to take the highlight color and we are going to go in, let's go in with that cotton candy. Okay, that's the cotton candy right here. Okay, or some fairy dust. Ow, you know that fairy dust ain't no joke. Okay, we're going to go in with the cotton candy. Here we go. We're going to open up those eyes some. Okay. Then we're going to pop a color of lipstick on. And I tell you, This right here is the Queen's Kiss, one of my favorites, and I am going to go on. It looks like this. And that's it, nothing spectacular, okay? And that's it. And I finished it off with the All-Nighter Setting Spray by Urban Decay. So that's it. So now I'm ready to go to work now, okay? So if you like this look, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to leave any questions or comments down below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Most of all, stay blessed. Bye.